Hi, this is Curtis, and today I'm going to show you a 2016 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite. This is a model 261BH bunkhouse. So in the front here we got two propane tanks, power tongue hitch, pass-through storage, and it's got stabilizer jacks, which are power. You got two in the front, two in the back. Here's an exterior power awning with outside speakers. And there's an LED strip, which looks really cool at night. Here's the exterior stabilizer jacks. You run them from that location right there. More storage, and actually even a propane hookup if you got a fire pit or a grill. In the back, it's got this fold-down rack and a spare with a cover, but this rack folds down if you want to bring your, bicycles, cooler, generator, just more outside storage. You got your dump tanks, black tank flush, shore power cord, outside shower. So let's take a look at the inside. This is actually just a really nice floor plan that gives you a little bit of everything. It measures about 28 feet tip to tip, and it's actually got a lot of space and storage. So as you come in, you notice you got a front queen bed. I think there's some foam toppers on here. You got wardrobe storage on both sides. And I just want to point out that it's got some storage up here, like if you want to put some things that maybe you don't want to keep underneath the bed, because there is storage underneath the bed as well. It also has LED lights. We like those because they're energy efficient. They don't produce any heat, and you rarely have to change them. There's a coat rack as you walk in. Here's your sofa. This will also lift up and make into a bed as well. I just want to point out this nice wood linoleum. There's really no carpet other than where the fender wells are, but this will be really easy to keep clean. So you got a dinette booth, storage above. In the kitchen, just want to pull some of these cabinets out and show you how much storage there is. There's a flat screen TV. It's a great spot for your dishes. Got a dual basin sink, gooseneck fountain, seamless countertop, and of course underneath here some more storage. Pull out drawers. You got your 3-burner range. It's got this nice cover. Oven below. Exhaust fan. Microwave. We have a Dometic refrigerator, and this is a freezer combo. Of course, above you got the freezer and fridge below. On the other side, you got a stereo, and of course, you got speakers inside and out. More storage. And actually, in the booth here, got some more storage. So there's really just a good use of storage throughout the whole coach. Really load this thing up. Okay, let's check out the back. So you got your sink, vanity. There's your toilet. Of course, this is a tub shower with skylight combination. And also you got this oversized bunk and a smaller one above with a window and escape with additional storage. 2016 Wildwood 261. It's right here at Gibbs RV, Coos Bay, Oregon, 1845 Ocean Boulevard. My name is Curtis. My number is 541-404-6840 if you have any questions. Just a super clean bunkhouse trailer.